what's happening?
No.
Yeah.
I need to.
I don't want the baby one. You want the big one?
No, the baby. The big one.
I need somebody to take a picture.
Alright.
You're both videotaping?
Are you both videoing?
Yes. Well, okay, well, take pictures and then I'll eat it. Make sure it's in focus.
They're about to eat scorpion. Wait, close up on scorpion. That is disgusting. Okay.
Okay, hang on.
Stay close together for the...
I'm not kidding. I'm gonna make sure I have a decent picture of this before I eat it.
Send this to Uncle Ray. This is
that's a good point, yes. And they're taking pictures of themselves. That looks pretty good.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Whoa, people really want to eat this stuff. Wow.
Going all the way in? Are you gonna dismantle or are you gonna go all in one go?
Uh-oh, you have to jump in, people. Don't put your toe in. All the way.
I just picked his tail off.
All the way.
Okay.
Are you supposed to pick your toes off?
I don't know. I'm just gonna go.
Don't eat it.
Here, back to it. Let's do it.
Keep going. How is it, Liz? Thank God for the spices. Mary, how is it? Show us inside. Show us inside. Woo!
That's gross.
Alright. Centipede next.
Oh, really?